fill it up with warm water. These are the two colors that I'm using. Okay, so this is the color of the water. Here we go. In she goes. I feel like nothing might happen because it's just so pale. I have these two dyes as well. It's Sea Witch. This is quite a nice one. This one's more like a greeny. That one's more of a bluey. So I'm gonna do both because nothing is really happening, like with the tiniest bit. The tiniest bit. Okay, so I just put in a couple dollops of this one, the Lunar Tide Sea Witch, and that is a really nice color. Okay, we're submerging and we're doing the fingers. We're doing the fingers. Okay, I'm gonna take this out before it goes too green. Although it is taking now. So this is the other one. And I'm gonna put a dollop like that. But yeah, now I'm just gonna let that dry naturally. And I'm gonna go out for a bit and then I'll come back and do the cut. It's actually the next day and I just wanted to hop on to show you guys the color that I managed to get. I'm feeling it. Yeah. I have a comb, two little clips, a pair of scissors and a brush. I probably won't use the brush to be honest. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Just been snipping away on the first layer. I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter, but it's cute. Yeah. Ooh. Hi. Let me show you the full spiel. But I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little wig transformation video. It's just so easy to customize wigs yourself. And like I said, I absolutely love this one from UniWigs. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, I feel so sassy and in my power. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Mwah.